Hey everyone, so we're back. Cut out all the stringers, now we're putting them in. Bolted in the kick rail, whatever, simple, just get the seating bolts or whatever. Drill into the concrete, then just pound the bolt in there, and then you can just put the screw on there. So I already showed you how I lined up the board. These are kind of short, so I measured, made sure the board would fit over the top, and I had to cut off the bolts on a couple of them. So on these stringers, I'm using a Simpson Tie. It's like a stringer holder. It's stainless. With these stringers, I could have gone around behind this part. Sometimes I do that. I opted for the front, so it wasn't as thick as I would have liked, but that's okay. You can see down the line I had to modify them a little bit, but the stringer, the Simpson Tie stringer holds it in place really well. The only problem with these is they're a little bit tricky. You can see I broke this one working on it. So I drew a line here for it to be level, the stringer, and then I drew lines here for the footing too. So I know that that's where I want it to be, and then I did that with all these equal distance spacing, pretty much about 11, a little bit more than 11.5 inches. So so when you put the stringer in, make sure it's level when you get it in there, and then I'm just going to show you on this one. So bear with me while you watch this. I don't know if you can see anything, because there's a sun right there. Okay, so I'll put you over here. See if you can see anything. Okay, so we can kind of see what's going on there, hopefully. Okay. So I'm going to be working right here. So first things first, these clamps, I can't say enough about them. Bar clamps work really great for pretty much everything. So I'm going to go ahead and put my stringer in here. And I lined it up with one side. Then I'm going to bar clamp it. So let's see. Make sure it's lined up with the mark that you made. And then just clamp it there. Then I'll tap in one nail. Take off the bar clamp. Now I just want to make sure it's level. Take a level, make sure you line it up with the metal on the side. Then once you get it level, go ahead and tap in another nail to hold it. I do like probably about 4 these nails that come with it, and not going anywhere, I'm thinking. Okay. So once you got your tie there, then you get your stringer, bring it in. Put it in there, and then so fit it in there so it's lined up with the side, and then the footing is between the 2 marks I made with the Sharpie. So okay, so now this is the tricky part. This part is kind of fragile, and nailing it in to the side can cause it to break. So you have to be really careful with these. So what I've been doing is taking the bar clamp and clamping it to the top one. Once I have that done, then I take some nails and I hammer them in to the back side of the stringer. See if you can see it. Yeah, you should be able to. So the back side of the stringer here has nails that you can hammer in, or it's holes that you can hammer in. So I usually want to do about 4 of those. So stand on your stringer and then go ahead and tap in like 4 of these. To the back side here. Not the greatest angle in the world. We'll do one more. Okay, so now we got 4 of those tapped in. Now, I want to do this top one right here where this is clamped. So I want to tap it in a little bit, and then what I do to get started, I hold the other side of it with my hand, and then keep trying to nail it in there. Okay, got one in, then I let the clamp go. And then go ahead and do this lower one here. See that? Yeah, so I'll do 2 into this lower one. Same thing, I'll hold the other side kind of after I get it tapped in, just so it doesn't go crazy. And another one. Oh, there we go. And then I'll do my second one up here. Hopefully it won't break. I'm going to be holding the other side with my hand. Okay. So there we go. Tied in with the Simpson ties. And just a tip there to hopefully your wood won't break and stuff. So there we go. The stringers are now all in place. Then all I'm going to do is just screw them down to the kick plate here, and then put the decking on. So going pretty smooth so far. We'll be back. I don't think you need to see me screwing those in there. It's pretty obvious. Probably just do like a couple wood screws. So thanks for watching, and we'll be back.